Hello, very good day, guys. Welcome to Knowledge Power. I hope you all are doing well today. Today, we are going to see how we can transfer heavy files from your phone to your computer, either from your computer to your phone. Once we are going to download this application, that is Wi-Fi FTP server, you need to download it. It's a very small application, but it can work on a large scale. You can transfer data easily from your phone or from your computer to either your phone, either your computer, without using any USB cable, without using any kind of wire. Once you install this application, you can see I'm going to show you the file that I'm having is 193 MB Microsoft file. Now I need to transfer this to my computer. As you can see, it's a heavy file. It can take time to transfer, but we are going to do it from a very easy method. Now you can go ahead and open the application, and then once you click on start, you will have to give them a permission so it can manage your file, it can access your files. After that, you can see I have started the service. You can see server URL FTP colon like this, the address, and make sure your computer and your mobile is connected to the same internet Wi-Fi. You can see I'm using TP-Link Wi-Fi here. Now you need to enter this address, server URL FTP colon / 192.168.100.8 colon 2221. Now we are on our computer screen. Here you can see I'm going to open my PC. When you click on my PC, in the address bar you need to type server URL address. That was FTP colon / 192.168.100.8 colon 2221. Now you can see this is my phone storage. Here you can see all the photos. If you want, you can also transfer that, but I'm just transferring this file that I kept it in my download folder. Here is the file, and we are going to copy it from phone to the computer. And as you can see, my laptop is also connected with the same internet, that is TP-Link Wi-Fi. Now I'm starting copy, and now you can paste it anywhere you want. It will not take much time. It can be very easy to transfer. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you very much for your time. If there is any question, you can put it in the comments. Thank you very much. Have a great day.